An oscilloscope, formerly known as an oscillograph, is an instrument that graphically displays electrical signals and shows how those signals change over time. Engineers use oscilloscopes to measure electrical phenomena and quickly test, verify, and debug their circuit designs. The measuring instrument can display several types of waves, which can be classified into sine waves, square and rectangular waves, step and pulse shapes, sawtooth and triangle waves, synchronous and asynchronous signals, periodic and non-periodic signals, and complex waves. The vertical mode panel allows you to select the vertical sensitivity, volts per division, and coupling, AC/DC, settings for the input channels. This controls how the vertical axis displays voltage. Thanks for watching this video.